Hi, I'm Bukola, and today I'm super excited to talk about securing your APIs using Google Cloud's Apigee and Cloud Armor. Let's get to it. So why are APIs so great? Well, APIs significantly reduce the time to market of new innovations and experiences by providing a simple and easy way for developers to consume data and functionality that resides in your backend systems. Because APIs are packages of business-critical information, they are also targets for malicious attacks. Google Cloud Apigee also saw over 170% increase in abusive API traffic in the past year. To help you protect APIs against security threats, Google Cloud brings together Apigee and Cloud Armor, the best of API management and web application firewall solutions. While Apigee offers OAuth, API keys, and role-based access, and many other API-level security features, Cloud Armor offers network-level security such as DDoS protection, geofencing, and mitigation of OWASP top 10 risks. Let's see a quick demo of how this works. For the purpose of this demo, I have created a Hello World API in Apigee. To protect this API, let's first start by adding a verify API key policy to this proxy. Once we do that, you'll see the default is set to a query param, but let's change this to a header. I'm now going to save it as a new revision and deploy it to the demo environment. To consume this API, let's create an API product and add our API proxy to this product by specifying the path. With this, the Hello World proxy is now ready and accessible. When I try to access this API proxy, Apigee would block it since we didn't pass an API key. Malicious clients could still send a lot of requests and interrupt traffic processing by the gateway for legitimate users. So to further protect this API, I created a very basic rule in Cloud Armor for the simplicity of this demo. This rule checks for the API key header, though it doesn't validate the actual key itself. I'm now going to apply this rule to the Apigee load balancer and apply this policy to the target. Now when I go to the load balancing section under Network Services, and look into the details of the load balancer, I see that the security policy has Cloud Armor attached to it. Let's now try once again to access the same Hello World API without passing any API key. You'll notice that the error this time is at a network level from Cloud Armor. If the same API is accessed with a header and an invalid API key, then Cloud Armor is going to clear it. But Apigee would do further validation and block it due to faulty API key. That was just a preview of how to add multi-layer security for your APIs with Apigee and Cloud Armor. In summary, Apigee and Cloud Armor offer integrated out-of-the-box security capabilities to protect your APIs at multiple levels. Now it's your turn to try it out, and get started by following the links in the description box below.